Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something totally different. My BFF gave me a gift. It's a Nespresso Vertuo line coffee machine. Let's go into the kitchen and set it up. Okay guys, we're going to unbox the Nespresso machine, and the box, we're also going to unbox a box of capsules of the different flavors that she brought. Oh guys, we're gonna talk about that one a little bit. Anyway, we're gonna go back, we're going to the kitchen now, and we're going to set up the machine and make some coffee and find out which is the flavor that like. I think I want to try the coconut, tropical coconut. But I also want to try the caramel cookie biscuit. I don't know. Anyway guys, let's go into the kitchen and set up the machine and make some coffee. Come on. Okay guys. Let's see what we got here. OMG guys, look at this. This is for the milk froth, to get that nice design that you get. That one there. Whew, guys. Yeah. Take all these out here. And here we go. This is my machine. Thanks, S. Oh, and that's the different pads and stuff that we have. So we're gonna set this up, guys, and we'll have some coffee. Well, not tonight. First thing tomorrow morning, yes. But we'll set it up tonight. I'm having technical difficulties, guys. That was just easy, you know. Whoa! Oh my lord! OMG! Yes, guys, I just threw that in the box. Oh! Okay, they give you some samples in here too. Well, alright then. More the merrier. Oh my god, look how beautiful that look. She is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. Ooh. Beautiful. Oh my god, guys. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're going to find a spot in the kitchen for her, and we'll catch it from there, guys. Yes. Okay. Okay guys, I don't know how many of these my BFF got me a whole bunch of these. After this is what, Costa Rica. Okay. Oh, what's this one down here? Let's see. What's this one? Caramel cookie. Ooh. I think I might want to try this one first. I don't know which one I want to try first. On this one. Oh my lord. Oh guys, we have to take this in the kitchen and get some of these flavors. Ooh. Alright. This is the first box. Let's put this back in here. And this one is tropical coconut. Oh, over ice. Woo. I think this might be my first. Yes. This one is, two of the same thing. Woo. You guys know I love coconut, right? Yeah. I can't wait to see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. I think I have it upside down. Let's put it this way. Let me give your capsule a second life. Oh, to recycle the little capsules. This is perfect, guys. You know, guys, you can use the coffee grindings after you finish. They use it for fertilizer. Don't act like don't let me act like I know. You know, I read it somewhere. Okay. Ho, ho, ho. I got two. What we got here? The vanilla custard. Yep. OMG. Ho, 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 ho. Let's set this aside. We will be using that. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely using those cups, those coffee cups. Oh God. Oh Lord. Nigeria. No, this is my recycle bag. That one was his little muffin. I think this is one I must have samosa taste. I'm not sure, don't hold me to it. So, we're gonna try to hook up the machine now and get some coffee, get some coffee, get some coffee. Okay guys, we'll set up the machine and we might have a cup of coffee. Alright guys, that's my gift from my BFF. We'll take it into the kitchen and set it up. Lift up the lever and the coffee that I'm trying is the custard pie. Okay, now we're gonna put the coffee capsule in there, dome down, and then we're gonna close the lever. Okay, and again we'll turn the lever to the lock position until you hear that click, and then press once and wait for the coffee. Ooh, my first cup of coffee. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now I'm gonna put the machine back in the unlock position. Yes, and I have a cup of coffee. Thank you very much. Okay guys, there's my coffee. And you clean the machine every 3 months, and always remember to eject that coffee pod as soon as you finish making a cup of coffee. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Stay safe. God bless.